sellers, what control do you have when selling your home? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Lately, the real estate market has been very volatile with higher mortgage rates, lower inventory, and more demands from buyers. So, as a seller, what are 5 things you can control in today's real estate market? First and foremost, you can control the presentation of your home. This means you can enhance its appeal by decluttering, staging, and making minor repairs. Remember, first impressions are key and matters a lot. You can control the pricing of your home. Understanding the current market conditions in your area will save you from pricing your home too high and not having to drop the price. By researching the market, consulting with the real estate professionals, and settling a competitive yet realistic price, you can attract more buyers and maximize your chance of a successful sale. You can control negotiations. As a seller, you can choose how flexible you want to be with negotiations with regards to how many offers you receive. By being prepared, staying informed about market trends, and working closely with your real estate professionals, you can negotiate terms that align with your goals and secure the best possible deal. You can control timings. As a seller, you can control when you decide to list your home. Typically, the listing in a higher peak season like spring or summer when buyer activity is higher will attract more interest and most likely better offers on your home. You can also control the timing of the closing if a buyer really wants your property. You may be able to negotiate a free rent back to allow more time to move or find a replacement property for you. Finally, you can control which real estate professional represents you by carefully vetting professional agents to see who has the most skill, experience, and marketing abilities, and overall knowledge of the market will help you to get the best return on your investment. It is important as a seller to focus on what you can control rather than what you cannot, and having the right real estate professional by your side will help you through the process. Reach out to us if you would like more information of what is happening in your local area as you get ready to sell. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.